Sapphire. Let's add a P to the Sapphire. Good luck to everyone. Here we go. Rolling the dice. 11 on the dice roll. You're going to see all your names at the top. It's an 11 spot filler all on the dice roll. Here we go. Good luck. 11 we go to. 10 and 11. Boom! 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 you see there. Steela to Jeremy to Seed to Caller to Eric to Seed to Caller to Jeremy to Jeremy to James to Jeremy. Cool. So just let me know where you guys want to go. Steezy, where you want to go, bud? I haven't even seen the teams. Looks like Rays? Sorry to those who missed. Raise me. I can't raise you, dude. You're probably older than me, Steezy. How do you want me to raise you, dude? Jeremy, where to, brother? What are you thinking? Seed, you said the fish, right? If the fish are there at 3. Yep, you got it. Fish, I got you, Seed. To Jimmy, where would you like to go, sir? I assume the White Sox, Jimmy. Jimmy, I'm going to slot you in somewhere, okay? For the White Sox, if that's cool. Austin, what the hell are you doing? Just running around with random accounts. Eric, where to, buddy? Yeah, right? Sorry to delay everyone. Eric, let me know, buddy. Austin. I'm like, what the heck? Eric, you got it, bro? Seed, let me know, buddy. I think you might have stepped away based on your comments, so you just let me know. Angels, Brew Crew, Phillies. So not for nothing, Seed. I just feel like they're guaranteed hits here. I'm gonna put you on the Angels. I'm gonna put you on the Angels, Seed. They're just always hitting. It's crazy. Jimmy, I'm going to put on the Brew Crew here. I hope you're cool with that, Seed. If you're not cool with that, let me know, okay, bud? Jeremy, Jeremy, you let me know. Guardians, Astros, Phillies? It's probably the best, Jeremy. Or those top 2, and then a squad to James. Yeah, Austin. I'm like, well, I thought you were just picking fun. Yeah, there was a filler, buddy. There was a filler, bro. I thought you were necessarily, when you asked for the Tigers, I thought you were just talking to Chris Ambro. Chris Ambro, if you're out there, the Tigers are looking to be bought for $30, sir. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't realize what you were doing. James gonna mark you in. James, I got you for the Phillies. Or actually, James, you could choose either one. Sorry, I know you was either the Blue Jays or the Phillies. I assume you're gonna want the Phillies, right? Yeah. Cool. We're good to go here. Packs are opened, ready to go. Good luck, everyone. Guys, guess the last auto of the break. Oops, I'm so sorry. Guess the last auto of the break for 20 in Blesbuck credit. Guess the last auto of the break for 20 in Blesbuck credit. Here we go. Best of luck, everyone. And away we go. O'Halloran on the orange here. O'Halloran orange. Starting us off, another gold here. Looks like our first auto is going to be for the Fish. Nice hit here for Seed, who called him out. He said, I want the future third-round pick. The future third overall pick. He just had that feeling. Vradenberg, baby. Yellow here of Seth Keener. Seth Keener on the yellow. 42 out of 75. Craig, no Salas here. No Salas here, my friend. Gold. Justin Reamer for the Red Sox going to Ranger. Ranger. You guys are guessing the final auto of the break. Final autograph of the break. You guys are guessing. And top load these. Craig, if you won the guess with that, my jaw would be on the floor, sir. It would be miraculous. Good luck. Here we go. Upside down Zavala for no reason. Mikey Romero, another gold for the Red Sox here. Wow, redemption. Redemption. Okay, so we'll leave. I'm not sure if you get another auto here, but if anyone guessed Clark, I think that's going to be, I don't think you get another auto, right? I think you just received the one redemption and not another one, I believe. Yeah, no, it's for sure Maxi. I just want to make sure that you're not receiving, like this orange back here isn't going to be the final auto. Regardless, we're rolling the guess for either this orange or the redemption. So it's not the orange. Nice. So it will be Maxi. What's up, Austin? Bowman Chrome HTA needs a big push. If we could get a really big push very soon on it, that would be awesome. I'll hang with you guys for the end of the night. We'll get some spots off on this dynasty as well. I'm not going to go anywhere for the time being here. Good luck on this Max Clark. It's going to be Max Clark. It's going to be for the Tigers here and Chris Amber. Let's see what parallel we get. It is Maxi. So let's see. We're looking for a lot of letters. Chrome Prospect Auto Variation. Looks like the one out of 199. Looks like out of 199 for the Tigers here. And Chris. Maxi. Sorry to those who missed. James, Steezy, sorry. Seriously. Fillers are brutal. Yellow here, Farmello. Gold of Reamer and Romero, the Red Sox boys. Couple oranges, Coupette, O'Halloran. Gold auto of Radenberg. And a Maxi Redemption out of 199. Maxi going to Tigers. And Chris Ambrose beat the sword on that one, Chris. 2023 Bowman Draft Sapphire 2-box PYT number 92. Thank